Hey Sneaker Lover, welcome back to HighFoot Review. We are unboxing and review the Legacy Air Jordan 1 OG True Blue, a true icon in the sneaker world. Before we dive in, a big shout out to our official sponsor PantherBuy.com. If you ever want to shop directly from China and grab the latest fashion, sneakers, or unique gadgets, but you didn't know where to start, this is for you. PantherBuy is not your typical online store. They are a shopping agent, meaning they help you buy from top Chinese marketplace like 168.com, Taobao, and Alibaba. They handle the purchasing, quality checks, and ship everything straight to your doorstep. They cover everything from sneaker and streetwear to tech, home good, and accessories. And here's the best part: new user get 3 products absolutely free. You only pay for shipping, and the item are yours to keep. Plus, PantherBuy send you quality control photos so you can see your order before ship. You can even combine multiple items into one shipment to save delivery cost. Shipping take usually 3 weeks, and their flight calculators show you the cost upfront. They are also got a Discord server where you can connect with other shoppers, share deals, and get exclusive buying tips. It's a perfect place to stay updated on latest offers and community giveaways. All the links, including the website and Discord, are available in the description below. You can even sign up for a $300 discount and access the spreadsheet in my channel bio. Alright, let's hit the music and get into the unboxing.